Hey everybody, welcome to the Jerry and
Dr. Laura Show.
Sponsored by the Auto Shop. So click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and bring us your cars.
Always just bring us our cars. Bring us your cars. Bring us all the cars. I want them all. I want to say, first of all, thanks to all of our viewers, and thanks for all your comments and emails. We certainly enjoy them. So if you like the show, really click the like button, subscribe, tell your friends about us, and really bring us your cars.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So today she doesn't have a car question yet, but
I'm sure I will.
I found something for you in the shop.
You found something for me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's a flower.
You got me a flower?
I found it in the shop. Yeah.
How did you find a flower in the shop?
Well, here it is.
Oh.
See? It's got the petals on it like a flower. Look at it.
Oh my god, this thing's heavy. What the heck is this? Well, it kind of has petals on it.
It's a brake rotor.
Oh, well, no wonder it's so heavy.
Put it back down on
Okay,
that.
so, yeah. Not the flower I was expecting.
But you got to play in the dirt.
I did. That's awesome.
So you're probably wondering, what in the world are we doing with a brake rotor here? And why does this even look like a flower? Well, part of the design, actually, part of this is for cooling.
I'll hold it.
And if you notice, there's holes drilled in it. This is a high-performance brake rotor. And I wish you could see what we see, but look at here how it looks like it's a record. For the old people, it's a record. For the young people, it kind of looks like the lines on a CD or DVD.
Yeah.
Right? The old vinyl records, they had these lines in them, but the lines here that you're seeing are actually wear patterns caused by the brake pads themselves, because the brake pads have to be hard. The steel is hard, and when you get two like hardness rubbing together, it will cause wear patterns. And this is why you have to either resurface these or replace these. This rotor actually, and you can almost see it if you tip it by the side. Turn it.
I'm going to tilt it this way.
You tilt it however you want. If we machined it, it would be below the manufacturer's specifications for safety. Okay, the other thing that I want you to see, and it's going to be really difficult with this, but I've got this as a straight edge, and yet you can see the light that's underneath this because of the ridges here. And so when you remove all of this ridged material, this rotor would be way too thin, and it would be unsafe for your car. So that's part of what we do here at the Auto Shop, is we make sure that you are safe with your vehicles.
Well, awesome. And thanks. It looks kind of like a flower. I'll give him one.
I'll put it in a vase for you.
No, it's okay. I think it should go to the scrap pile.
Okay, we'll put it in the
time is
scrap
done.
pile.
We will have a moment of silence for the brake rotor.
I love it. Okay, well, I'm Jerry.
I'm Dr. Laura.
And this is the Auto Shop.
Schedule your appointment at 972-578-0588 or
online at www.theautoshop.com.
See you next time.
Bye, everybody.